What are we doing right now?
We're at Coastal, Alabama. It's a food place. We're eating, or we're about to.
What'd you order?
A salad, I think?
A house salad with ranch.
Yeah.
No chicken.
No, nothing. Just salad.
Just salad. I got a burger with no onions, mushroom, tomato, or lettuce.
For the third day in a row?
Yeah, I've had a burger every single day for lunch. And what are we doing after this?
Mini golfing, I guess.
Yeah.
Can't lie, we kind of like didn't record at all today. It's 4 o'clock and the only clip we have is the one you just saw. We're eating quesadillas right now and the most eventful thing of our night is going to be the pirate ship, which we got to be there at 6. So.
We have an hour and 20 minutes, so we're going to have to start getting ready soon.
Yeah. We got matching outfits, right?
I'll be cute. Accidentally broke the mics.
Yeah, we're bare audio now. There's gonna be a lot of background noise, but it's fine.
I'll slap that case of Dilas on your tongue.
I didn't want to. Do you want mine?
No.
You can save it.
Yeah. It's the only food we're going to eat before the ship. Unless we get snacks.
Is there food on the ship?
Mm-mm.
What do you do on the ship? You just like role play? We just need to have fun.
Yeah,
We need some fun in our life, you know?
Hey.
Nice roof. Nice roof.
Oh, I was about to say, there are like colorful lights beaconing from inside. There are not.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ooh. There's always rain when it's thundering.
Thunder. When it's raining. Hey, hey, hey. Players on and love you when they're playing. Say it with me. They will come and they will go.
Oh, I'm gonna go with like, ooh.
When the rain will shine, you'll know. You'll know.
I'm thinking, oh, I'm sorry guys, got a little slide.
I'm so thirsty. This is my last drink left.
Oh.
We're getting ready to go on the pirate ship right now and we have matching outfits.
6 p.m. 100% rain.
We're in the car. And we're on our way to the pirate boat. Yeah, but the traffic's really bad. So we might be cooked. And it might be canceled because of the rain.
So far it's not pouring, so
We'll give an update. Thank you.
Hey, we're on the boat.
That's not right.
Now it's on the boat.
Make sure that you answer loud.
We got
There are
soaked.
tall ships
Yeah,
and there are
but we got
small
Jen's.
ships.
Yeah, we got Jen's. This is the Starship.
Friendships. Hope you consider myself a capable Kyle here too, my good friends. Hope you
I have
guys
no
enjoy
cans
the rest of your
available.
stay.
I'm holding
Watch
my
your step
gems.
and thank you for
My
going out
booty.
with us today.
My pirate
Aboard the
booty.
American
This is the beach.
Until we set a point down.
BRB. We back. We doing a Publix run. I'm scared to breathe because of my wet clothes.
Yeah, we had to wear jackets because our stuff turned see-through as soon as we got wet.
Love that.
But we're at Publix right now, and then we're gonna go eat seafood. The same place last night, because I'm like that. Okay, yeah. We never even did a fit check. What are you doing? We got pizza, and I got Alfredo.
You're changing pajamas.
And we immediately went home because we were soaking wet and cold. And I just changed and did the comfiest thing I could.
Gradient.
Yeah, look at her gradient on her train. Well, this was an eventful night.
Very.
It was really fun though. Highly recommend.
Yeah.
The what's it called? Pirate cruise down at Orange Beach.
Don't do the dolphin. They're
Well,
cruel
okay, so
people
the
if they're
dolphin
cruel
cruise
people.
meets up with the pirate cruise, and they all spray each other. That's how we both got soaked. That's that cheese pool. Dang. Where did we go for that pizza? Something pizza place, I think. Pizza at the Pass. That's where it's from. Pizza at the Pass.
This looks really good.
Fettuccine Alfredo. Oh, could you hand me a fork, please?
What size?
I'll take big.
Here you go.
Yes.
Okay, so we're live.
Yeah, sadly. Wait. Pause, rewind.
No. We're happy to be live.
Yeah.
YouTube don't restrict us.
Yeah, please. But what was it? Oh yeah. It was a pretty eventful day. And we're leaving you. It's the end.
Today's the last day.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yes. We have like 2 more days.
Actually, we only have tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's the last day.
Yeah.
Saturday we're driving home.
Yeah.
Bye.